Hey, it's Jason with replaceable.com. Interesting project. We've got an old country wood insert blower assembly. The original EBM Pabst, it's a German-made motor. These guys are very difficult, if not impossible, to find on their own. Lennox, IHP, they do not sell the blower individually. They kind of make you purchase this entire blower assembly again. They're very expensive. And the unique thing about these is they are a low profile 48 millimeter wheel. So what we're going to attempt to do is actually use two individual 60 millimeter wheels, kind of pair these guys together, wire them together. We think we have just enough room to fit these guys height-wise and lengthwise. May have to replace that speed controller. Well, Jim's going to start getting into it, and we'll see if we can't figure it out. But this might be an option moving forward to some of the folks who have these older country inserts that need replacement options. The one thing the dual blower setup would give you is some redundancy in the event one of the blowers failed, right? If a bearing, for example, was defective on one blower, you'd at least have one blower operating in the meantime so you could still operate the fan kit. But we'll give it a shot. We'll cut back here and we'll show some progress as we get along the way. Thanks again. All right, through the magic of video, we are back. We've got the unit completed. This is ready to ship back out to a customer. So you can see, instead of that single blower assembly with the center mounted motors, we actually went to two individual blowers, each having their own motor. So they're pretty tightly packed in there. Another benefit too, we were able to get in a 60 millimeter wheel blower instead of the lower diameter 45 millimeter wheel. So this does a couple of things. A, gives us a little bit more performance out of the blowers. These guys are going to probably produce 20 to 30% more each over that single blower. And they are also quieter. The larger wheels actually tend to be a little quieter. So overall, pretty good experience. Painted the front of the housing, so this guy looks pretty good again. Almost looks like a brand new unit. And so she's ready to go back. So hopefully it's a happy customer. Everything tests out okay. So if you've got a similar unit, this is definitely a standby option. Again, these units are typically sold as an entire assembly. So you can't usually replace just the blowers themselves. So this will give you an option for you guys if you've got one of these Lennox IHP country insert blower kits to get you back on the road again. So thanks again. If you got any questions, give us a call, 262-989-4882. You can visit us at replaceable.com, or you can email us at support@replaceable.com.